This video, I'm going to show you how to add money to Cash App. So once you open your Cash application, you can see at the bottom the bank icon. Just tap on the bank icon for a reason that you need to link first your bank account, which lets you transfer money into Cash application for free. And you can also link your credit card, which lets you transfer money into Cash App with fee. So to add cash on Cash App, just click on Add Cash and then type in the amount that you want to add to your cash. Click on Add and that's it. You've successfully added an amount to your cash application. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.